We have RGB, we have Hexcode, we have color name. Here are three ways you can give a color to a particular text or a particular object in a space. If you are into web design, you understand this a little. Now, in giving a particular text or a particular object a color, you can either use RGB or Hexcode or the color name. Now, if you don't know the color name, you can know the Hexcode. The Hexcode, this for example, this is the example of Hexcode, and in RGB you must know that, for example, if I want to give a particular color, for example purple, to this object, I must know the value of R, I must know the value of G, I must know the value of B to use to give me purple. So I think Hexcode is a little bit complicated because you must know values, and for example this will give you white and this will give you blue in Hexcode. So for better understanding, you can visit HTML color codes.
So alright guys, once you get to HTML color codes, you come over to where you are seeing names here. Then once you click names, then it will bring you to this place, and then you can see HTML color names here. So you can see, for example, this India red, this is a color name, and then the Hexcode, and then the RGB value. So there are so many colors here that you can just go through. So you can come over to jump to a color, pick a color, and then you can study the color name and then color RGB and then Hexcode. So
if you feel this interests you and then you learn something new, don't forget to like this video, and then you can probably share this video. I want to see you in my next video. Bye.